Microsoft Power BI Reports Deep Dive. Build interactive, accessible, and business-ready reports from data to delivery. Hello and welcome. In this deep dive, we will explore how to create Microsoft Power BI reports from the ground up. Power BI reports are interactive, multi-page documents that present insights through visualizations, text, and images connected to a semantic model. A semantic model provides the trusted data foundation behind charts, measures, and business calculations. Reports are designed not only to display information, but also to help users identify patterns, compare performance, investigate trends, and make informed business decisions. By the end of this session, you will understand the complete report creation journey from data preparation to publishing and sharing. Every Power BI report starts with a semantic model. The semantic model contains tables, relationships, measures, calculated fields, and business logic that power the report experience. A well-designed semantic model ensures that calculations remain accurate and visuals behave consistently across report pages. Reports can be created in Power BI Desktop for full authoring, modeling, and transformation capabilities, or in the Power BI service for quick report creation and browser-based editing. Both environments support interactive reporting, although Power BI Desktop provides the most comprehensive development experience. Power BI Desktop is typically the preferred environment for professional report development. It provides report view for designing report pages, data view for inspecting loaded tables, and model view for managing relationships and calculations. Developers can connect to data sources, transform data with Power Query, create DAX measures, and design visuals within a single workspace. This foundation is critical because report quality depends heavily on the semantic model behind the visuals. Strong report design begins with clean, reliable, and properly modeled data. The Power BI service offers a browser-based experience for creating, editing, publishing, and sharing reports. Users can build reports from semantic models, uploaded files, Fabric workloads, OneLake Data Hub sources, and supported connectors. The service also supports quick report generation to accelerate self-service analytics and exploration. While the Power BI service is excellent for collaboration and lightweight editing, advanced modeling, complex transformations, and enterprise report design are generally better handled in Power BI Desktop before publishing. The Power BI report editor is organized around several key areas, including the ribbon report canvas, filters pane, visualizations pane, and fields pane. The ribbon contains commands for inserting visuals, formatting content, and managing report actions. The report canvas is where visuals and report pages are created and arranged. The filters pane manages visual level, page level, and report level filters. The visualizations pane controls chart types, formatting, analytics, and field placement. The fields pane exposes the semantic model data available for report creation. Together, these components provide the core authoring experience for designing interactive reports. Report view is where creators transform data into an interactive analytical experience. Every report begins with at least one page, and additional pages can be added to organize different business questions, departments, or analytical scenarios. Creators can move, resize, align, duplicate, copy, and paste visuals across report pages to improve layout and usability. Power BI also supports copying visuals between reports, although the destination report must contain compatible fields and measures from its semantic model to avoid errors. This flexibility supports reusable report design while highlighting the importance of maintaining consistent data models and naming standards. Data preparation is one of the most important stages of report creation. Power BI uses Power Query to clean, shape, and transform data before it reaches the report layer. Common preparation tasks include changing data types, renaming columns, formatting text values, filtering unnecessary records, and creating custom columns. Power Query tracks every transformation as an applied step, making the entire preparation process transparent and repeatable. Well-prepared data improves report accuracy, simplifies model design, and creates a more reliable experience for report consumers. Data modeling becomes especially important when working with business analytics scenarios that involve multiple related tables. A widely recommended approach in Power BI is the star schema model, where a central fact table stores measurable business events while surrounding dimension tables provide descriptive context. For example, a sales fact table might connect to customer, product, reseller, date, and territory dimensions. Relationships between these tables allow users to analyze sales performance by time period, geography, customer segment, or product category. Features such as hierarchies and hidden technical columns help simplify the report authoring experience and make the semantic model easier to use. DAX measures extend the analytical capabilities of Power BI reports by enabling reusable business calculations. Measures can calculate totals, percentages, growth rates, rankings, comparisons, and many other business metrics that dynamically respond to filters and interactions. Power BI documentation demonstrates examples such as summing sales quantities, building calendar tables, and using functions like user relationship to activate inactive relationships for specific calculations. This approach allows report creators to analyze the same data through multiple date perspectives, such as order date, ship date, or due date, without duplicating tables in the model. Visualizations are the core building blocks of every Power BI report. Power BI includes many visual types, including bar charts, column charts, line charts, area charts, scatter charts, maps, tables, matrices, cards, slicers, decomposition trees, and AI-powered visuals. Each visualization should be selected based on the business question being answered. Line and area charts work well for trends over time. Maps help visualize geographic performance, and matrices or tables are useful for detailed comparisons. Effective visualization design helps users quickly understand insights, identify patterns, and make better decisions from the data. Building a visualization requires assigning the correct fields to the appropriate areas of the visual. Categories are commonly placed on axes, legends, rows, or columns, while numeric measures are typically assigned to values. Power BI can automatically suggest a visual when fields are selected, but report creators should always verify that the chosen visual accurately represents the business question. Aggregations such as sum, average, minimum, maximum, and count should also be reviewed carefully to ensure calculations reflect the intended meaning. Effective report design is not only about displaying data, but about communicating business insights clearly and accurately. Formatting improves readability, consistency, and user trust. Power BI themes allow creators to apply standardized colors, fonts, and visual styles across an entire report. Organizations often use custom themes to maintain branding consistency and improve the appearance of reports at scale. Conditional formatting can highlight important values using colors, icons, or data bars to draw attention to trends and exceptions. Power BI also supports custom and dynamic format strings, so values can display correctly as currency, percentages, dates, units, thousands, or millions, depending on the reporting context and user interaction. Report layout strongly influences how easily users can understand information. Power BI includes layout and design features such as backgrounds, borders, wallpapers, alignment guides, grid lines, grouping, and page size settings. These tools help creators organize visuals and guide the viewer's attention toward the most important insights. Effective report pages usually present high-level findings first, followed by supporting details and deeper analysis. Overcrowding a page with too many visuals can reduce clarity, so complex business topics are often better separated into focused report pages with clear navigation. Filters and slicers allow users to interactively narrow and explore data. The filters pane supports visual level, page level, report level, and drill-through filters that help control the data shown to users. Filters can also be locked or hidden to simplify the report experience while preserving required business logic. Slicers bring filtering directly onto the report canvas and can appear as drop-downs, lists, buttons, tiles, or date range selectors. Hierarchy slicers allow users to drill from broader categories into more detailed levels, supporting more flexible and intuitive analysis. Field parameters make Power BI reports more dynamic and flexible for report consumers. They allow users to switch dimensions or measures within the same visual without requiring multiple separate charts. Instead of creating many versions of similar visuals, report creators can provide controlled options that let users customize their analytical view. This approach improves self-service analytics while keeping report layouts cleaner and easier to maintain. Field parameters are especially useful when users need to compare metrics such as sales, profit, margin, quantity, or growth trends within a single reporting experience. Visual interactions make Power BI reports feel interactive and exploratory. Selecting a data point in one visual can filter, cross-filter, or highlight related data in other visuals on the same report page. This behavior allows users to investigate relationships and trends without writing queries or changing report pages. Report creators can customize interactions so visuals either filter, highlight, or ignore one another depending on the analytical requirement. Careful interaction design is important because excessive or incorrect interactions can confuse users or create misleading interpretations of the data. Bookmarks and buttons help transform reports into guided analytical experiences. A bookmark captures the current report state, including filters, slicers, sorting, drill position, and visual visibility. Buttons can trigger actions such as page navigation, bookmark activation, opening URLs, or launching Q&A experiences. Power BI also supports page navigators and bookmark navigators that automatically generate navigation controls for report pages and storytelling flows. These capabilities allow report creators to build structured navigation paths that make reports feel more like interactive business applications than static collections of charts. Drill-through enables users to move from high-level summaries into detailed analysis. Report creators can build dedicated drill-through pages that automatically filter based on the selected context from another visual. Users can right-click a data point and navigate directly to a detailed page showing related transactions, customers, products, or operational records. Power BI also supports cross-report drill-through between related reports in the same workspace. This functionality is especially valuable when executive summary reports need to connect seamlessly to operational details and deeper investigative analysis. Tooltips provide additional insight without overcrowding the report canvas. Standard tooltips display contextual values when users hover over a visual data point. Additional tooltip fields can display related measures or dimensions to enrich the analytical experience. Power BI also supports report page tooltips, where an entire mini report page containing visuals, text, and images appears during hover interactions. Help tooltips can guide users on how to interpret visuals or interact with report features. These capabilities improve usability and help users access deeper context while maintaining a clean report layout. Tables and matrices support detailed business reporting beyond standard charts and graphs. Power BI allows hyperlinks to be added to table and matrix cells so users can open related applications, websites, or business resources directly from the report. Images can also appear inside tables, matrices, slicers, and cards when the model includes valid image URLs. Sparklines provide compact trend visualizations directly within table cells, helping users quickly identify patterns alongside detailed values. These features are particularly useful for operational reporting, product catalogs, regional scorecards, inventory monitoring, and business review scenarios, where users require both granular detail and visual context. Quick reports and automated reporting experiences help users begin analyzing data more quickly. In the Power BI service, users can upload Excel files, connect to semantic models, or use existing Fabric and OneLake data sources to automatically generate initial report visuals. These automated reports are typically starting points rather than final production designs, but they accelerate exploration and self-service analytics. Similar quick reporting experiences are also available through integrations with Power Apps, Dynamics 365, and other Microsoft business applications, helping users rapidly discover insights before refining report layouts and business logic. Copilot and AI-powered capabilities can significantly accelerate report creation and data exploration. Copilot in Power BI can help generate report pages, visuals, narrative summaries, and analytical suggestions when enabled within the organization's Fabric or Power BI environment. Q&A features allow users to ask natural language questions and receive visual responses directly from the semantic model. Quick Insights can automatically scan data for trends, correlations, and unusual patterns. While these capabilities improve productivity and accessibility, report creators should still validate calculations, filters, business logic, and analytical conclusions before relying on generated outputs. Power BI includes AI-driven visuals that support deeper investigation and root cause analysis. The key influencers visual helps identify which factors most strongly increase or decrease a selected outcome. The decomposition tree enables users to break down measures across multiple dimensions and can use AI-assisted splits to automatically identify high or low contributors. Anomaly detection can identify unusual changes within time series data and provide possible explanations for unexpected behavior. These capabilities are especially useful for guided analysis, operational monitoring, and identifying business drivers that may not be immediately visible through standard reporting. Mobile optimized reports are designed to improve usability on phones and smaller devices. Power BI Desktop includes a dedicated mobile layout view where report creators can arrange selected visuals on a phone-sized canvas. This helps prevent users from navigating complex desktop layouts on mobile screens. Mobile layouts are particularly valuable for executives, field workers, sales teams, and operational staff who need quick access to business information while away from their desks. Effective mobile report design focuses on the most important insights and interactions instead of attempting to reproduce every desktop element. Dashboards are closely related to reports, but they serve a different role within the Power BI service. Reports contain multiple interactive pages designed for detailed exploration and analysis, while dashboards provide a single-page monitoring experience built from pinned tiles. Dashboard tiles can originate from reports, semantic models, streaming data, and other supported sources. A report visual can be pinned as a live tile, and selecting a tile can open the related report for deeper analysis. Dashboards support theming, resizing, rearranging, and sharing, making them well suited for executive monitoring and operational overviews, while reports remain the primary environment for detailed investigation and business analysis. Publishing moves a report from the development environment into a shared collaboration space. Power BI desktop reports can be published directly to workspaces in the Power BI service, where authorized users can view, interact with, and manage the content based on their permissions and licensing. Reports can also be distributed through Power BI apps, embedded securely into applications or portals, shared through links, or integrated into Microsoft Teams for collaboration. Publishing is the stage where report design, governance, security, licensing, and organizational collaboration all come together. Report templates help organizations standardize reporting and improve reuse. A Power BI template file can contain report layouts, visual designs, queries, semantic model definitions, and formatting without including the underlying business data. Templates allow teams to create consistent reporting experiences across departments and business processes while reducing repetitive development work. In some supported scenarios, reports can also be exported back to Power BI Desktop for additional editing and enhancement. This flexibility is useful when reports initially created in the Power BI service require advanced desktop capabilities, or when organizations want to preserve reusable reporting frameworks. Paginated reports address a different type of reporting requirement compared to interactive Power BI reports. While standard Power BI reports focus on exploration and interactivity, paginated reports are designed for precise, pixel-perfect, print-ready output. These reports are commonly used for invoices, operational statements, regulatory documents, detailed exports, and formatted business reports distributed as PDF, Excel, Word, or printed documents. Power BI Report Builder is used to create paginated reports with structured layouts, tables, charts, maps, parameters, filters, and expressions. This reporting style is especially valuable when exact formatting and controlled page layout are business requirements. Performance optimization is essential for keeping reports responsive and usable at scale. Power BI includes Performance Analyzer, which helps creators measure how long visuals, queries, and interactions take to load and refresh. Performance issues can result from excessive visuals, inefficient DAX calculations, overly complex semantic models, expensive queries, or unnecessary visual interactions. Automatic page refresh can support real-time monitoring and operational dashboards, but frequent refresh intervals can increase load on data sources and capacity resources. Effective report design balances analytical richness with speed, scalability, and a smooth user experience. Accessibility ensures that Power BI reports can be used effectively by a broader range of people. Power BI supports accessibility capabilities such as keyboard navigation, screen reader compatibility, high contrast themes, alt text for visuals, and logical tab ordering. Report creators should also use descriptive titles, meaningful labels, readable font sizes, and sufficient color contrast to improve usability. Accessibility is not only important for compliance requirements, it also improves clarity and adoption for all report consumers. Reports that are easy to navigate, understand, and interact with are more likely to become trusted decision-making tools across the organization. Permissions and workspace roles are important parts of governance in the Power BI service. Report consumers can typically interact with reports in reading view, while editing view requires ownership, edit rights, or an appropriate workspace role such as contributor, member, or admin. Sharing and collaboration capabilities often require Power BI Pro, Premium per user, or access through premium capacity. Workspace roles determine whether users can create, modify, publish, delete, or only view content. Proper governance helps organizations protect sensitive data while still enabling collaboration and self-service analytics. A successful Power BI report project usually follows a structured workflow. The process often begins by defining the business questions the report must answer and identifying the decisions the report should support. Next, data is prepared and modeled so tables, relationships, measures, and business definitions are reliable and consistent. After the semantic model is validated, visuals are created to answer those business questions clearly and directly. Additional enhancements such as slicers, filters, bookmarks, navigation, tooltips, formatting, and accessibility improvements are then added. Finally, the report is tested with users, published to the Power BI service, and refined based on feedback and usage patterns. The sample tutorials and documentation examples reinforce this same reporting methodology. In financial reporting examples, reports are designed to answer practical business questions such as which month delivered the highest profit, which region performed best, or which product segments deserve additional investment. In dimensional modeling examples such as AdventureWorks, the process begins with designing tables and relationships before building report visuals. These examples demonstrate that effective Power BI reports are driven by business requirements and analytical goals rather than by simply creating random charts or dashboards. Power BI reports create the most value when they help organizations move from observation to action. Effective reports explain what happened, where it happened, when it happened, and which factors may have influenced the outcome. They provide users with intuitive ways to move between summary views and detailed analysis without losing context. Strong report design also avoids unnecessary clutter, duplication, and decorative elements that do not support decision making. The best Power BI reports are accurate, interactive, accessible, performant, visually clear, and aligned with real business objectives. To conclude, creating reports in Power BI is both a technical discipline and a communication discipline. Successful report creation requires data preparation, semantic modeling, DAX calculations, visual design, interactivity, navigation, performance optimization, accessibility planning, and governance. Power BI Desktop provides advanced authoring and modeling capabilities, while the Power BI service enables collaboration, publishing, dashboards, quick reporting, sharing, and browser-based editing. When these capabilities are combined thoughtfully, Power BI becomes a powerful platform for transforming raw data into trusted business insight. Thank you for taking the time to explore this topic.